Hi, my name is Lindsay Whittle and I'm the Assembly Member for South Wales East, and I'm very happy to promote WWF Earth Hour. I'm a firm believer in protecting our planet. It's the only one we've got, so it's very important to us all. I do hope that everyone will take part in this very small but significant event, because it's important to you, your children and your grandchildren. I've recently bought a wood-burning stove in the hope that, one, I will save some money, of course, but also that, again, I can help protect the planet, and I think that's very important. If you are helping, please, at the appropriate time on the 23rd of March, switch off all the power in your home and in your place of work, and it will make a difference. Thanks very much.